Hello learners. It's great to see you again. In this video, we will learn about what happens when we add more bulbs to a circuit. Before we start, can anyone tell me what are the two types of circuits?
I know. The two types of circuits are series and parallel circuits.
That's right. Do you think that all electrical components in a circuit get the same amount of electrical energy from the cell? Well,
Let's find out.
For this experiment, you will need a battery cell, 2 bulbs, and some electrical wires. First, set up the circuit as shown in the image. Observe the brightness of the bulb. Then, connect another bulb to the circuit in a series. Pause and observe the brightness of each bulb. Are the bulbs as bright as before?
No. The bulbs are dimmer now.
Yes. Do you think that this would be the same for a parallel circuit? Let's see. Once again, set up the circuit as shown in the image. Then, connect another bulb to the circuit in parallel. Pause and observe the brightness of the bulbs. Are the bulbs as bright as before?
Yes. The bulbs were almost as bright as before.
Great job on completing the video. I hope to see you soon.